So good day, welcome to Multi-Net Design, the continuation of our 4-bedroom that we were working on. In the last episode, we were able to bring all this to reality in a simple form. So now we want to focus on develop the elevation. So let me go to one of the elevation to see this, the elevation. Now you see the color of the house have never been changed or done anything. So we're going to work on that one when the time comes. But for now, let me quickly do one thing. Go back here. I want to select this one and create my foundation wall. So I'm going to do that. So select on instance in this view. So select on instance in this view. Then say copy to clipboard. Then come to foundation. This is where you are. So you are here saying nothing. So what you just need to do is to come here and say paste to current view. So it's going to be aligned to the current view. This is what we have, but we're not going to leave it like this. The first thing is that you remove the unconnected 3000, which is going to be 800 or whatsoever. So when your one is gone, then you have reduced this height of those walls. So what you just need to do is to first select all the windows that are here, because the reason why you are seeing them is they are part of the process of, because they are longer, so they are almost below the cut plane of the eye. So I'm going to select all instance in this view and I delete them. So I will select all instance in this view as well, delete. So all the openings have to go. Select all instance in this view. Sorry, you see select all instance in this view, where you delete them. And the last part, you select all instance in this view, then you delete. So every other one that look like, you delete them all. So now you make sure that the whole thing is in order. So you have the foundation lay using your own block work system that you have created on the ground floor for your level 1. So if you have here, you see that we have issue with the floor. Let's quickly go to elevation to go, and let me just use west. So you see that it's not touching and it's falling. The reason is that this is not a normal proper slab. So you are going to do the editing here by, say, you can duplicate if you don't want it, but if you like leave it this way, because we are not going another level. So I'm just saying, and you return it back to 8 inches, which is 200 mm, and you say okay. Now you're still going to see that the thing jump off that like showing double line. The problem is the height of height, so you're going to put that at 0 and everything is going to key. So you done that with reality, then you go back to the foundation, and that's what you have. Now you are saying that you're having a view from here. The reason is that the foundation radius range is displaying. So what you don't need to do is to say none and let everything be disappear. So you focus on this at this level, so you're not going to see underlay of anything. So we're done with that. Now you come back. Now let us quickly go and do the roof. So where would you do the roof? Go to level 2. So level 2 now, what you just need is you're going to be seeing, ask for the view for the level 1. Then you start your, since this was going to be a flat roof, it's not going to have any kind of paparazzi. So you say architecture, and from here you just draw this up. Now I'm going to do something. Just let me see. Return Ctrl Z. So I'm going to take that from inside. So you get, so I'm going to do that from inside and drop it to outside. So a little bit, everything is going to fall to this side. So as I've done that, sorry, I'm using floor instead of using a roof. Just say delete, yes. So you come to annotate. So roof, sorry for that, I'm supposed to use roof for using follow. So I'm going to click from here. So you get now. So I will select here, remove the define slope, then only this define slope I'm going to retain, and I will change this angle to just 4, just like normal, almost like flat. So do not attach, let it be empty, it's flowing like that. So this is what you have, understand. So it's not finished. What you now need to do now is to go to level 2, level 1. So at level 1 now, you select all the external wall. That's what we're going to use. Select all the external wall and say copy to clipboard. So come to level 2 and say you should paste at the current level. So as you have that one, you can remove this one because it's not needed again. Select all instances in this view, that is all the windows. So then delete them. So now you need to trim everything. Then you trim it. So now you need to do the needful and everything will be settled and straight up. So this is how far. Now what you do, you go back to 3D and see this is the way the whole thing looks like. So is it scary? Is it normal? Is it not whatsoever? So it worth it. So what you just need to do now is to reduce the height of this one. Let's say, so here I'm going to say 1,800, 1,600 should be the normal height. Okay, then delete all this one particular one. So can you see that it's now becoming reasonable? Indeed. So that is it for now. So coming from this aspect of basic design of a floor plan, then now we're getting to use to the elevation the way it's supposed to be. So there's still a lot to do with here, but we are going to now, the first thing that, let me quickly go to the and say realistic view. Here now I'm going to change the color, edit in place. So edit, I'm not going to duplicate the wall because that wall I want to change completely. So I will say from here default wall 5. So from here I can duplicate this particular one, then I will change it to wall. So I'm going to say appearance, then I'm going to go to default. So from default I'm selecting this ceramic wall. So finish, that's what I want. So I'm going to click OK and OK, then OK. So everything should change. So good. So the pattern and everything come up in the right direction. So now this is how far I have created the roof and everything. So in the next tutorial I will work on the environment and display, and some of this I have to do with the elevation and create them the way it's supposed to be. So thanks for watching.